Hi, this is Mr. White. I've created this video to show you how to use AZVA drop boxes. Okay, the first one, we're in a culinary class, and what we're going to do here is we're going to see where the assignment is. Okay, we're going to go to Content. Under Content, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see we have Lab Questions 1.07, and then we have Graded Assignment 1.07. If you see right here, this little sign right here, that's a drop box. That's where you'll drop the assignment. To pull up the assignment though, I'm going to go ahead and go to the lab questions. I'm going to click on the lab questions, and it's going to take me right to the different lab questions. This could work for any class, okay? So the first 1.07 lab questions, what this is it's a video. It says to watch the video, then answer the questions. Well, right here, what's wrong with America, what's wrong with what we eat, okay? That right there has questions that goes with that video. If you click on this right here, that will open up the video and play the video. Now, how do I create it? You need to create a document to show you how to answer the questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to open up a Word document. I'm going to create a new one, blank document, and I am going to paste this into the document. This right here puts all the questions there. I'm going to go back and number them. You will have to number them, okay? So I'm going to number them. Okay, there's question number 1. And what you could actually do is while you're right here, you could go right here, go up here, click on this. Okay. I guess maybe it won't, huh? Number 2. Number 3. Okay. So what I'm going to do, so I got room to put my answer, I'm going to go ahead and leave some room on there. Hit it twice, and it will keep the numbering. It won't mess with the numbering. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to click Enter twice, Enter once, Enter twice, and then it'll leave me room in there, and I could just go ahead and insert my answers right in between here. I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to save this as, I'm going to go to my computer, Browse, and I'm going to go right here into my Culinary Arts folder. I'm going to go to Culinary, and I'm going to save this, not according to Mark, I'm going to save this under my name. I'm going to go Leonard White, Leonard space White, and then I'm going to put Culinary, because that's the class. If it's economics, you'd put economics. I'm going to put assignment 1 space 07. That's the document. Now I'm going to save it. Okay? I'm going to save it. You want to replace the file? Yes, I do, because I had created it earlier. Okay, so I'll close this. I've saved that file. Okay? Now I'm going to come back in here. I've done all that's asked me to. I'm going to go on to the next one. Click Next. And it will take you to the Dropbox. In this Dropbox, I've already dropped a couple assignments you could see. But let's say I did, I found her movie questions. That wasn't the assignment. I did that wrong. Okay, so I resubmitted it under the proper way. Leonard White, Culinary 107. Okay, let's say I got the grade back on that and it wasn't 100%. I only received 80%. Well, I could resubmit this. I'm going to upload it now. I went to Culinary Arts, I went to the assignment right here, going to highlight it, Leonard White, Culinary 1.07. I'm going to open the document, and it will put it in here. Okay, it will set it right, submit it right there. If that's right, I'm going to go ahead and submit it. If it's wrong, just click the X button and redo it again. But I'm going to hit submit, and it's going to submit. It tells me it's submitted successfully. Very good, so I know it's there. Well done. Completed the assignment. It's all done right there. Very good. And that's what you just did. You just saved. You can go back here and see I've saved it twice now. Saved it once at 12:33, another time just did it at 12:46. So you successfully saved a file in the lockbox. Congratulations, you're done.